CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Joka Tata Motors Halatko ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordal Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Ka Ophis jong Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District kum ka jinya shimbenta lang ha ka North East Festival arjar arfuar ka badairu shimbenta jong ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav ha ka jing Rakhe dap hanyo pusan Snem jong ka Re India but ka Jingdap san post Snem ka Jylla ka lapenlong ya ka bike rally ne ka jingnya thok thok arshaka balaya shimbenta da kikin honya thok thok na keleng ka Jylla ke bala pen sngotoru halor ka hok jong ki khon kenthai Yagani ka jingya rally di ki thok thok la kawe lama do Deputy Commissioner jong ka Bhoi District u arpit upadhyaya u balalong kumukong san harengkat ka jingya don lang jong Additional Deputy Commissioner uba MB Tongper u President jong ka Royal Enfield Riders Association of Meghalaya uba Didi Umdor bat kiwei kiwei.
Commissioner, thank you for inviting us with this program where we are celebrating this 75 years of independence, 50 years of statehood, and then Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And thank you, Badam Pair, for being kind enough to call us to participate in this rally and this celebration, Konglinda. So I wish again the best to Bhoi District under your leadership, sir. So we hope that by the end of this year, you will be number one. We will be, because I've been here, we will be number one. And another thing, sir, I'm just like to announce that we are having Rider Mania, where we expect around 2,000 riders. And the venue for that we will be doing in Bhoi. So in the month of January. So looking forward of working with you again. It will be a part again of celebration of the 50th year of statehood and that 75 years of independence.
So I want everyone for this initiative of the 75 years celebration of the independence, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and a big gratitude for all the bike participants who have graciously come here to celebrate with all of us this bike rally, and your support for this thing. It's very like, I got to know that you are so much willing to be a part of this thing. It was a big thing for us, and thank you so much for being a part of all of this. And I would like to say that so far we have been doing a lot of initiatives, but when it reaches to people, it's only through the initiatives of through rallies, when all people come together and we are able to collaborate with the people, with the ground people. So thank you so much, and my best wishes to everyone on this initiative of the 75 years of India's independence as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Firstly, I welcome Honorable DC Sir. He has graciously consented to having this bike rally. Thank you so much, sir, for organizing this rally. I also welcome all the members of RERAM, especially Damien, the president. You've come from Shillong. It's a long way. Thank you so much for coming here. And this is, in fact, a very significant day, because this is the Northeast Festival. And this is how we kick off this festival. And there are 3 banners where we celebrate this festival. One is the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, and your 50 years of Meghalaya statehood. And the most important one is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And this is an aspirational district. And I would just like to inform everybody here and the press here that the moment DC sir took over as DC, we were number 5th in the entire country as in the aspirational district. So a big hand.